Hi, I'm making a mega Stingray and Ayla, where are you? Okay. Let's go, baby!
What is she doing? I'm Dora's friend. Hi, I'm Jagger. I'm Hannah's brother.
Yes, queen. Okay, stop it. They can't even see you. So, I'm going to the neon place to make my beautiful mega Stingray. Stop it, Hannah.
I just want to say that because I'm so sad. And they worked really hard on this, so everybody should appreciate the effort.
Yes, but this is actually probably one of the fastest megas I've ever made, thanks to my best friend Faithful Fox.
And me.
My best friend Faithful Fox, Wanhan Hannah, and XX Jogger.
It's X248 Jogger.
Okay, whatever. Okay.
The X is capital.
I get it. Okay, I'm starting.
Sorry, I think Dar's why is there Megan here on fire, right?
Oh no, that one, I got that one from trading.
Oh, you got it.
Okay.
We're gonna have it. Wait, the last neon.
Okay. I just want to thank you so much for everything for Mega Stingray. I'm so happy, and this is the last one I need to make the Mega. So let me. And I'm thankful for Ayla, who helped me so much, and Hannah, who helped me super much with the new one. So thanks so much for helping me, guys. You're the best, and this is the last one. Okay. Yay! We made the Mega New York. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh, it's
Why it's so they can all see it?
okay. I know.
Dara's keeping this one.
It's super cute. We love you. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to the Dragonfly.